Welcome everybody, this is problems 3 and 4. I'm going to do the surface area of this rectangular prism and then the surface area of the square pyramid below. So I copied and pasted the same image 3 times. So what I'm going to do is, in any rectangular prism, there are 3 sets of 2 equal sides. So what I'll do is, actually I'll show you. So there's this side here, and the side that's equal to this one is the one that's directly across from it, which is right here. Those sides are equal. So we need to figure out the area of one of these sides and multiply it by 2. So this will be rectangle 1, or pair 1, P-A-R, pair 1. So this right here is 3 centimeters, the width, and the length here is 13 centimeters. So it's 13 times 3, which is going to be 39, and I just need to multiply it by 2 because there's 2 equal ones, which is equal to 78. So for pair 1, it's going to be 78 centimeters squared. I'll rewrite that. Okay. P-A-R, pair 1. Now I'll do pair 2. My goodness, I'm sorry. Oh my god. It's late. I'm very tired. Pair 2. I can do now the top and the bottom. So there's this one, and the side that's exactly equal to it is this right here, the top. Okay, so it's 9 by 3. So we're going to do 9 times 3, which is equal to 27. And then we need to multiply it by 2 because there's 2 equal sides, and that's going to be 54 centimeters squared. And the last one, we've done these sides and the top and bottom. We haven't done this one, though, right here. And the one that's directly behind it, which is right here. It's starting to get a little messy, but it's this one right here and this one right here. So let's go ahead and just look at the front and then multiply by 2. So it's going to be 9 by, and this height is the same thing as this height here. So it's going to be, this is pair 3, and so it's going to be 9 times 13. I'm going to do that quickly here. Well, I'm just making sure. 27, 90, 117. That's going to be 117. And then we need to multiply that by 2, which is going to be 234 centimeters squared. So now to solve all of these, I just need to add 78 plus 54 plus 234. So that's 16, carry the 1, 8. 13, 16, carry the 1 again, 366 centimeters squared. The answer is C. Summary, what I did is I found the areas of each pairs and then added them up at the end. Okay. Area of a square pyramid. Okay, so now a square pyramid, I know that this is a square pyramid, and that's 16. I know that this also has to be 16. Same with this side right here, and then behind it as well, it's got to be 16. Another thing I'm going to do is actually draw a surface net of what it will look like, roughly. So all of these here are 16. And then this distance right here, all of those distance, the slant height, this right here, or the height of this triangle is 14 meters. So I drew 2. Let's go ahead and solve for the base first, because we need to solve for the area of, oh, nice purple. We need to solve for the area of the base, and then we'll solve for the area of the 4 triangles. So the base is going to be 16 times 16, 16 by 16, and 16 times 16 is 36, 120, and 100, which is going to be 6, 5, and 2, 256. So that's the area of the square base. Now this one here, let's see. So if this is 14 right here, and this is 16, we're going to use this formula. We are going to use base times height divided by 2. The base is this right here, 16, and the height of the triangle is 14. So it's going to be 16 times 14, and then divided by 2. So we'll do this multiplication over here. 4 times 6 is 24. 4 times 10 is 40. 10 times 6 is 60. And 10 times 10 is 100. I'm sorry for getting a little messy here. 4, that's 12, carry the 1. 224. Okay. So now this right here is the area of one triangle. Ooh, but I forgot to divide by 2. Okay. So let's go ahead and divide this by 2. 1, 2, 112. But how many triangles are there? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this right here is the area of one triangle, but I just need to multiply it by 4 because there are 4 triangles. And that's going to give me 448. Last thing I need to do, so this right here is the area of 4 triangles. And this one right here is the area of the base. So the last thing I need to do is add 448 plus 256, and I will get my answer. So that's 4, carry the 1, 10, carry the 1, and 704. 704 meters squared. All right. Thank you very much, everybody.